my channel. So my name is Gabby and this is my first ever YouTube video. So what I decided to do was do this eye look, 2 different eye looks using 1 palette. And I also go ahead and review the palette and give you guys some swatches and tell you overall what I thought about the palette. If I liked it, if it was approved by me or not. But if you guys want to see how I did these 2 looks, keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so here's the palette. So pretty. Here's the back. So this is how it comes. It's really pretty. It does come with a brush over here, which I will be using in my video. Oh, it's just so pretty. I'm gonna get it and take it out. Oh, look at that. So pretty. And I love the fact that when you open it up, it folds backwards. And you can just hold it like it's an actual painter's palette. So I did swatches for you guys, and I will show you guys that in a minute. But just look at these shades. Aren't they beautiful? So I will say, after I swatched these, it was a little bit of residue left on the actual palette, and once I closed it and reopened it, if you guys can see that on the black, it kind of stained the black a bit here, which I'm okay with because this palette's probably going to end up way dirtier than it is.
From left to right: white, gold, light green, turquoise, sapphire, and violet. From left to right: coral, fuchsia, purple, navy blue, royal blue, green, yellow, orange, red, burgundy, brown, and black.
So I'm actually gonna do 1 look on one eye, 1 on the other. So let's get started with that. So if you guys can see, I went ahead and did, where did I put the brush? So as you guys see, I went ahead and did my eyebrows before and primed my lids already. By the way, if I do look down or I look up, my mirror's down here and that's what I'm looking at. And then my monitor's up there, and that's just so that I can make sure that I'm actually still recording. But yeah, so I'm actually gonna go in with this yellow as my first shade. I'm gonna use that on my crease. And put that. Just go ahead and put this on my lid. Just gonna keep building it up until I get the right color that I actually want. So I'm actually gonna keep taking this, going right above my crease and bringing it to the ends a bit and just bringing it back down to the corner of my eye. Let me know down below if anyone's tried this palette, and let me know what you guys think of it, because I know people have different experiences with palettes. So far it's blending in very nicely. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take another brush, and I'm going to go in with this orange shade. Okay. I'm just gonna go right under that yellow and just blend, 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 blend. These colors do seem like a little more muted than I thought they'd be, but I am still kind of okay. And now with a bit of burgundy and fuchsia on my eye, and put it right on the lid. I'm gonna go ahead and take some concealer, put it on the back of my hand, and grab a brush and take it, put some on the brush, and just put it right on the center of my eye, right in the center. It doesn't have to be perfect, it is gonna be covered up. Then I'm gonna go back in with the yellow that I used before and put that right where I put this concealer at. See how this does on. I feel like this is not going how I pictured, but we're gonna fix this in a minute. But I'm gonna go ahead and go back to the orange and blend around the edges of this. So I'm gonna go back in with burgundy and fuchsia and just blend this out so there's no harsh lines. I'm gonna actually take the brown in this palette, just a bit of that and a bit of the black, just to darken this corner of a bit. Just in this corner, and then go back and just blend that out. So I'm going back in with the yellow a bit and just brightening that center back up a tiny bit. So for this side, I think I'm gonna go with like a purple and pink moment. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the purple shade and put that on my lid. This purple is definitely coming off more like pink than it is purple. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and take that coral shade and blend that. I definitely wanted something more simple on this eye. I feel like these eyes are really similar, but still very different as well. I'm actually gonna go ahead and take the Glamlite brush and just blend this out just to diffuse it a bit. So it's clean. No color is on this one. I'm gonna take some of that gold shade and pop it with my finger right on the center of my eye where I put that purple. I felt like I needed something on that lid. So I'm done with the eyes. I'm actually gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face off camera and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and did my face makeup and popped on some lashes. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go back to the palette. I'm gonna take the orange color and put it under my lower lash line, this eye. Why do we make such ugly faces when we're putting makeup on? I'm gonna go ahead and grab another brush and take that burgundy and fuchsia color that I used. So I'm gonna put that burgundy and fuchsia color under my eye as well. I'm gonna take a bit of that yellow and add it towards the back. Gonna connect it up here a bit to the front. Ooh, I like that. So that's enough for this eye. For this eye, Gonna go ahead and grab that purple shade and put it under my lash line. I'm actually gonna take that gold shade that I used on my lid, put it corner of my eye. So for my final thoughts about the palette, do I think that this palette is approved? I would say yes. I think it does have a good range of colors, and it does have really pretty colors that did work out. There were some, like the black one and these two blues, that just weren't blending how I wanted to, and just wasn't like it. See this blue, it looks really bright on here, but when I swatched it and I put on my lid, it didn't really work the way I wanted to. But I really did like these like purples and pinks and fuchsias and these. So I think if I do another look using this palette for you guys, I'm probably gonna use these shades. I haven't tried these. I did try the gold. The gold is pretty, but I think I want to dive into some of the other colors that are on this palette. But overall, I do like it. Now for the brush. I do enjoy the brush. I really like synthetic brushes. I don't like using like other brushes. I just prefer these. And it's vegan, so why not? But it blended out really good. It did. I actually used it for this side. So it blended this side really, really good. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.